afternoon, welcome. You're watching on Bosco Media Network. This is Molly Saurambai, brings you the Salesian news across the globe. Autonomous Community of Navarre organized by the Salesians of Pamplona in collaboration with the Archdiocese of Pamplona and Tudela. This first edition takes place at the Salesian School of Pamplona in Saraguren and is aimed primarily at the educational and sports community to create a forum for discussion and reflection in which formulas and strategies for working with sports in the educational sphere may emerge as a tool for the pastoral care of sports and ultimately for being instruments and witnesses of the transmission of Christian values through sports practice. Also, the Catholic University of Murcia, the Brafa Sports Center, Jesuits and Salesians will participate in another roundtable discussion moderated by Javier Trigo, contact person for sports in Navarre and author of the book Dios es Deportista, God is a Sportsman, on the various existing initiatives. It is a beautiful jubilee because it is still on the 25th anniversary celebrations of the Salesian School of Zabzi in the province of Poland, Krakow, PLS, which in its program includes three main points: the Jubilee Gala evening, the solemn anniversary Eucharist, and the family picnic. This year, the Salesian St. Dominic Saviour schools in Zabzi, southern Poland, are celebrating their 25th anniversary. A vast program of celebrations has been prepared for the occasion. Two events took place in the past few days: the Grand Jubilee Gala at the House of Music and Dance in Zabzi, January 31st, 2023, and the Solemn Mass at the Church of the Blessed Virgin Mary, Mother of the Church in Zabzi, Helenka, February 4th. Celebrated on Sunday, February 4th, the Solemn Mass was presided over by the Bishop of the Diocese of Gliwice, Monsieur Jan Kopik, and among the concelebrants were PLS Provincial Father Markin Kanowski, SDB, and Father Andrzej Rolnik, SDB, Director of the school. Welcoming the participants of the celebration, the latter noted that among the priests present at the altar, he saw several past pupils of the school. The Salesian East Asia Oceania Region EAO commenced its school for formation for the academic year 2023. Layer 3 opened online via the Zoom platform on Thursday, February 9, 2023. The session on the theology of communication dwelt on God communicates only through love, joy and peace. The session was presided by Father Ambrose Pereira, SDB SC EAO Coordinator and Salesian Delegate for Papua New Guinea and Solomon Islands. It commenced with an adaptation from a presentation of Father Peter Gonzalez and was intercepted with reflections from the Salesian context. Present for this session were social communication members and representatives from the Salesian family of China, Philippines, North and Philippines South, Myanmar, Mongolia, Australia and Papua New Guinea to learn and share in the presentation. Students from the Don Bosco Arts and Science Institute in Agadi, Kaduvu built, as part of their social responsibility and civic engagement project, a house intended for a mother and her son. Dr. R.N. Ansar, head of the National Housing Service NSS of the state of Kerala, handed over the key to the building to the recipients. The project, called Sneha Vidu, meaning the House of Love, has already resulted in the construction of 5 houses for poor and needy families in the area. The new building, about 70 square meters in size, with 3 bedrooms, a hall, a kitchen, a work area and a seating area, cost 8,000 rupees. The money for the construction was raised by students and volunteers through various fundraising programs. On the 5th of February, the 54th edition of the running race called Cross Don Bosco, organized for the Feast of the Saint of Youth, was held in Madrid's Carabanchel neighborhood. 2,623 runners gathered at the Salesian House in Carabanchel to participate in the event, with various routes from 600 meters for the youngest runners to 5,100 meters for the oldest. The award ceremony was attended by Carabanchel District Councillor Alvaro Gonzalez, who stressed the sporting importance of the event and the promotion of running as a healthy habit. Present were Father Fernando Garcia, Superior of the Salesian Province, St. James the Greater SSM, who also participated as a runner, accompanied by Father Xavier Camino, Provincial Delegate for Youth Ministry, and Father Marcelo Press, Director of the Salesian Boarding School. The event, which had the support of local security and health forces, was organized by the Salesian House in Carabanchel with the collaboration of the SSM province and the companies Peras Rincon del Soto and Ser Union. So viewers, that is all we have for today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.